DXN products. In this presentation, we are going to see the product ranges of our company. DXN product comes in 4 categories: Ayurvedic and natural health food supplements, food and beverages, skincare and cosmetics, and others. Ganoderma is regarded as the king of herbs. Ganoderma lucidum is known for its unique properties that help to strengthen the immune system. The word Ganoderma is derived from Gano, which means brightness, and derma, which means the skin. Reishi Gano RG is a kind of a mushroom essence formulated from Ganoderma lucidum. It contains a wide variety of nutrients such as polysaccharides, adenosine, triterpenoids, proteins and fibers. The applied Ganoderma lucidum is harvested from 90 days old red mushroom, comes in capsule, and daily intake of RG helps in normalizing the entire body functions and maintains a healthy well-being. Ganazelium the GL. Ganazelium the GL is produced from 14 days old mycelium of Ganoderma lucidum. The mycelium is rich in polysaccharides, adenosine, organic germanium, terpenoids, vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids. Like RG, Ganazelium the GL is also available in capsule form. DXN spirulina capsules and tablets. Spirulina, a type of blue-green algae which is rich in protein, beta-carotene, chlorophyll, antioxidants, minerals, and other essential nutrients that our body needs. DXN spirulina is ecologically farmed using selected species of spirulina. DXN spirulina keeps you healthy and energetic. Gano Organic Virgin Coconut Oil, the healthiest oil on the earth. The natural and powerful combination of Ganoderma and organic virgin coconut oil that helps the immune system improve overall health, vitality, and maintains healthy and glowing skin. Production process involves the cutting-edge technology of DXN in blending Ganoderma with coconut oil. Food and beverages. In this category we have tea, cookies, noni and morinzi, and coffee. Reishi Gano tea. Reishi Gano tea is a traditional beverage brewed from the processed leaves of tea plant Camellia sinensis. In each leaf lies the natural composition of the nature's goodness, especially polyphenols, trace elements, and vitamins. Polyphenols possess the content of antioxidant function which helps to protect the human body against the harmful effects of free radicals that may weaken your immunity. Enriched with Ganoderma, tea gives you a refreshing experience. DXN Dip Tea. DXN Dip Tea comes in 3 varieties flavored with Ganoderma. The 3 varieties are green tea, masala tea, and black tea. The green tea. The green tea is the healthiest beverage on the planet. It is loaded with antioxidants, nutrients that have powerful effects on the body. It is also considerable amount of A, C, E vitamins and also useful components such as catechin, caffeine and tannin, which is good for our health. The masala tea. The masala chai is a flavored tea beverage made by brewing black tea with a mixture of aromatic Indian spices and herbs. Originating in India, the beverage has gained a worldwide popularity, thus becoming a feature in many tea and coffee houses. Black tea. The black tea is made from the plant Camellia sinensis that undergoes oxidation process where the leaves turn from green to a dark brownish black color. The black tea is fully oxidized tea. DXN Madhuram Cookies. DXN is excited to bring you the world's first natural millet cookies. Truly powered with Ganoderma, spirulina has DXN Madhuram Cookies in 3 nutritional types. With DXN Madhuram Cookies, we can say no to artificial flavors, artificial colors, artificial preservatives, cholesterol, trans fat, and refined flour. There is no genetically modified organisms. We use only whole grains, dietary fiber, chemical-free, sulfurless brown sugar powdered with immune-boosting Ganoderma or the superfood spirulina. DXN Noni. DXN Noni is a nutritional botanical beverage specially formulated from Morinda citrifolia and is enriched with tamarind. Morinda citrifolia, the noni, has been traditionally used as health drink among the folks in South Pacific region. DXN Noni is rich in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Morinzi. Morinzi is a nutritional botanical beverage specially formulated from Morinda citrifolia and enriched with roselle. DXN Lindsay Coffee 3-in-1. DXN Lindsay Coffee 3-in-1 is specially blended with coffee beans of finest quality and Ganoderma extract with no artificial coloring and preservatives. Working pressure and hectic lifestyle nowadays make people feel stressful easily. Lindsay Coffee 3-in-1 is sure to be your everyday coffee break. You can enjoy the pure coffee at the meantime absorb the good effects of Ganoderma which would bring good health. The convenient pack of DXN Lindsay Coffee 3-in-1 enables you to enjoy the unique flavor at any time and any place you like. DXN Lindsay Coffee 2-in-1. DXN Lindsay Coffee 2-in-1 contains Ganoderma extract. The ingredients are easily dissolved and produce fine aromatic beverage. The DXN Coffee 2-in-1 is also called the mushroom coffee or Ganoderma coffee. The careful processing of this coffee maintains its nutritional value while its main components are organically grown. Not only that DXN coffee is great in taste, it's actually a very healthy coffee. Skin care and cosmetics. In this category we have Ganozi toothpaste, Ganozi soap, Ganozi shampoo, Gano massage oil, tea tree cream, talcum powder, chubby baby oil, aloe vera cleansing gel, aloe vera hand and body lotion. Ganozi toothpaste. Ganozi toothpaste contains high quality Ganoderma extract, food gel, menthol and fruit flavoring. It effectively cleanses and whitens the teeth while leaving you a pleasant taste in your mouth. It does not contain saccharin and coloring and makes your teeth healthier and brighter. DXN Ganozi toothpaste also contains antibacterial property that cleanses your mouth and the teeth and freshens your breath while protecting your gums. It also helps in dental health, which is related to your heart. Ganozi soap. DXN Ganozi soap gently cleanses the skin while preserving its natural oils without damaging the skin structure. The use of palm oil enriched with vitamin E and antioxidant agent helps to revitalize your skin and delays aging process. It is containing pH balancer, which means it is suitable for all types of skin. Protect, clean and smoothen your skin with DXN Ganozi soap. Ganozi shampoo. DXN Ganozi shampoo with pH balance is suitable for all hair types, enriched with Ganoderma extract and vitamin B5, which is mild, that you can make use for your hair to become healthier, softer and shinier. Ganozi massage oil. Ganozi massage oil contains the finest palm oil and Ganoderma extract, suited for every massage need. It is all natural and rich in antioxidants. Ganozi massage oil is suitable for all ages and all skin types. DXN Tea Tree Cream. Tea tree cream is a soothing skin cream specially formulated with tea tree oil. It can be highly penetrable and gently absorbed by the skin, and which comes with the natural scent of refreshing tea tree. It is also suitable for good skin hygiene and protection and safe for use for the whole family. DXN Talcum Powder. DXN Talcum Powder is a luxury scented talc. Specially formulated with Ganoderma and menthol, it's effectively relieving the prickly heat discomfort. DXN Talcum Powder also has a good absorbance property, keeping your skin fresh and comfortable all day. Make most of the day active and fresh with DXN Talcum Powder. DXN Chubby Baby Oil. DXN Chubby Baby Oil contains pure oil, sunflower seed extract, wheat germ extract, Equisetum avens and Camophora mira extract. It is a skin conditioner that moisturizes baby's delicate skin and helps to protect the skin from dryness, chapping and flaking. It helps to seal in the moisture so that the skin feels soft, smooth and silky all the day. It is also effective for the adults in removing the makeup. Aloe Vera Cleansing Gel. Aloe Vera Cleansing Gel is a soap-free cleansing gel that contains aloe vera extract. Gently cleanses and clears the skin and the pores without stripping out its natural oils and maintains its moisture content. It helps to maintain the skin's natural pH balance, leaving it soft, supple and more radiant. Aloe Vera Hand and Body Lotion. A non-greasy, moisturizing lotion with aloe vera extract. It soothes the chapped and dry skin. It forms a protective layer that nourishes and guards against the moisture loss and leaving your skin feeling refreshed, soft and smooth. In others category, we have the Jewelry Clean. DXN Jewelry Clean. DXN Jewelry Clean is a gentle formula for cleaning your precious jewelry. Developed in Europe, this product uses precision technology to remove dirt, cosmetic residues, soap scum, sweat, etc. from your ornament surface, restoring its natural shine. Wipe your ornaments with DXN Jewelry Clean cloth, woven with fine microfibers to further enhance its luster. Keep your priceless jewelry at its best all the time. You can clean gold, platinum, diamonds, natural gemstones and natural pearls. Thank you for watching DXN Product Orientation.